This is our earth pit, and we have to measure the resistance of this earth pit. Now we have to connect the connection. This is the megar by which we can measure the earthing resistance. Look, there is 0.1, 0.2 like that ohmic value, and this marking point will be in 0 position. So after moving this handle, we can say how much resistance of its earth pit. So now we have to connect the earthing spike with those wires. There is two set of wire. One is 75 feet long, and another is 150 feet. Then at first 75 feet long wire should be connected to two megars P2 port, and 150 feet long connection will be connected to the megars E2 port. This is E2 port and this is P2 port, and E1 P1 will be shorted, and then it will be grounded with this earth spike. Okay, so now we will connect this wire, 75 feet wire, to the P2. ওই কলের গোড়াটাই পুঁতে দাও, ওই কলের গোড়াটাই পুঁতে দাও। এমনি হাত দিয়ে জাস্ট পুঁতে দাও, অসুবিধা নাই। we have to mounted this earth spike at a distance of 75 feet long, and wire will be connected to the earth spike, and it will be connected to P2 port. ঠিক আছে, and this wire is a length of 150 feet, and it will be connected to the 150 earth spike to 150 feet distance from this megar. This spike has been connected 75 feet long, and this wire will be connected to the 150 foot long. Okay.
কি হচ্ছে কি হবে এখানে
ভিডিও
না, মানে এখানে কি হবে তার দিয়ে?
This P2 is connected to the 75 foot long wire, and end of this wire is connected to a earth spike, and this is 150 feet long, and it has connected to the E2, and P1 একটু দেখা যায়
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
and P1 and E1 has been connected or shorted. And from E1 we will connect a wire. It has connected to the arch pipe. Okay. Now I am starting the P1 E1 with this wire. Now we have to place the mega at its zero position.
আরে কাঁটে সমান করে রাখতে হবে, সমান ভালো হবে। এই চক্করটার মধ্যে রাখতে হবে। আজকে একটু সাজছে, ছাত্ররা সব হচ্ছে, ছাত্রদের সঙ্গে হচ্ছে সব, যেখানে থাকো ক্লাস হচ্ছে না, তুমি জানো ওই বই যেরকম দিতে গেলে সবাই জানতে পারছে কোথায় গাড়ি সেই রকম হচ্ছে। আমারও কথা হয় গাড়িতে, বুঝতে পারলে? কাঁটে সমান জায়গায় রাখতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? কি এটা জিরোতে থাকবে?
হ্যাঁ, জিরোতে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
The pointer has been placed in zero position. In zero position. So the pointer has been placed in zero position. Now we have to move the handle, and we have to move. We have to move this handle, and it is showed 0.2 ohm. 0.2 ohm. So we have measured the resistance of this earth pit is. So we have measured this earth pit resistance is 0.2 ohm. Now I will demonstrate the connection once again. Those two wires. This is for 75 feet long wire, and it connected to an earth spike. And this is 150 foot long wire. It has been connected to an 150 feet long distance with a earth spike. And here it is connected to P2 and E2. Then E1 and P1 will be shorted by this wire, and E1 should be connected to the earth spike. And then now we have to move this handle. We have to move this handle, and it will show how much resistance of this earth pit. Okay. So this is our experiment, resistance test by N Megar. Okay, thank you.